Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. So I'm sorry I haven't been filming anything for Vlogmas, but you guys know my situation and what's going on right now. He's doing okay, more than what he was the other day when he came home. But he's still hurting. Like I said, now we have to go back every 3 to 5 days to get fluid drained off his stomach, which we got an appointment Wednesday for that. Apparently, turns out Tuesday we got to go back to Lexington because he's supposed to have a surgery on his throat because the vessels in his throat is coming apart. So they're going to go in there and put a band or something in there to like put the vessels in his throat back together, because they said that will kill him faster than, you know, his liver and stuff like that, and like what's going on. So we got that appointment Tuesday. We got the fluid drainage Wednesday, and then Friday he's got his regular doctor appointment to like refilling his medicine and stuff. So yeah, this week is going to be absolutely busy. Plus tomorrow I'm going to try to go grocery shopping again. I know I didn't do anything for my grocery vlog like I always do, but it'll be alright. You know, you guys know my situation right now, and that's also why I look like 7 different types if I don't know what, and that's why my hair looks a little greasy today, because, you know, being too busy, I haven't had time to wash my hair. But it happens. I got a lot going on, but yeah, like I said, this is Vlogmas Day 2. It is actually Sunday, December 10th, and it is 1:06 in the afternoon. I'm making the kids some ramen noodles right now because they're hungry, and I'm going to get some of them like pepperoni bread things that Walmart used to sell all the time. I got them the other day in Ashland at Kroger. Finally found them, and I'm going to dip them in some of the Frito-Lay mild cheddar cheese dip. And I'm also drinking a 7-Up. I don't hardly ever drink 7-Up anymore, but it's what Babe's got in the kitchen, so I stole one of them. I'll give you guys more of an update later, because today is my normal Sunday cleaning. I'm almost out of detergent, so I got one load to do with detergent, and then I'm going to be out, and I don't have much shampoo. But it's okay. I'll figure it out. I'll manage. As long as I have clean clothes and clean everything else, that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm going to go in here and finish up the kids' food, and I will see you guys back here in a minute. Welcome back to another part of today's Vlogmas. So it is currently 5:32 in the afternoon. I am just now getting ready to go start supper because we are going to be having goulash today. So I gotta go start that, and then after I start supper and get it on cooking, I'm going to try to do some laundry and get stuff ready for them to go to school tomorrow, because like I said earlier, I'm going to try to go back grocery shopping tomorrow and get a few more things than I need. So yeah, and then after I get done doing all that, I got to get them to shower and stuff for school tonight, or in the morning, and then around 8:30, 9 o'clock I gotta put them to bed. So, and then my little butt is going to bed around 11:30 or 12 o'clock tonight because I am exhausted and sleepy. So let's go in here and start supper. Okay, so now it is currently 8:47. I'm getting ready to give them a shower for school tomorrow and then get them in the bed before 10 or 11 so they can have plenty of rest, because tomorrow in school she's got her already diagnostic testing thing on the Chromebook, so I still got to do some laundry still, which my washer's about done. Gotta fold those up that's in the dryer, and then get them in the bed, and then I gotta take myself a shower because I need one, and get her snacks for tomorrow and charge her Chromebook. So I still got a lot to do tonight before I can actually go to sleep. But yeah, I figured I'd let you guys know that I was getting ready to get her in the shower, so I'll see you guys back in a little bit. Okay, so now it is currently 11:22 at night. As you guys saw, I just now got her backpack and snacks ready. Now I'm getting ready to do my dishes, and then after I do my dishes, I'm going to take me a shower because I need it. So before I do all that, I'm going to find me something to snack on because I'm getting a little hungry. So I'm going to eat, do dishes, and then take a shower, and then go to bed. So yeah, I will see you guys back in a minute. Okay, so now it is currently 11:58 at night. I just got all of my dishes done and everything that I needed to do. Now I'm going to go in here and get in the shower. So I will see you guys back here in a minute. Okay, so now it is currently 12:28. I am getting ready to end this vlog for today. Sorry it was kind of boring and everything, and I didn't do much except for a lot of cleaning and stuff. But yeah, as you guys can see, I just got out of the shower. Now I'm getting ready to go in here and go to bed because I got to get up at 6:30 in the morning to get her on the bus. So yeah, give it a big thumbs up. Go down and click that little red subscribe button because it really helps out, and turn on the bell to be notified when I upload. And I will see you guys hopefully in tomorrow's next Vlogmas. Love you guys. Bye.